What are you waiting for? It's Vlogmas, right?
Oh, yes!
Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back for another day of Vlogmas. Thank you for continuing to roll with me. It's your girl, Tyechia Brown, and thanks for riding with me on my journey. And today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be talking about last minute gift ideas that do not involve shipping. So you can grab these at your local stores, peeps. Thank me later. I know I'm not the only procrastinator. So let's get this party started. The first one, this is not in any particular order of importance or anything like this. All these stores are fabulous and they all have amazing gifts that you can get for your loved one or your friend. I hope you love them too, but we're not even gonna go there today. So number one is Bed Bath & Beyond. Let me tell you, I love myself some Bed Bath & Beyond. Why? Because some coupons on deck. I'm not gonna lie to you. They will send you a ton of mailers with coupons. They'll email you coupons. And I've even had where I've been in the store and this nice little coupon lady was like, honey, you need some coupons? Here's my coupons. I got too many. And use each item, one coupon for each item. Thank you, sis, for hooking me up and telling me how to do this thing right, because I ain't good with couponing, but sis hooked me up. Let me tell you, I was like, oh, that's how you do it. Saved a ton of stuff. And they have amazing gifts from home decor. They have curtains, they have towels, they have just about anything. And we're big gadget people, kitchen gadget people, especially my husband. So they have all tons of gadgety stuff for our kitchen to make it run a lot more efficiently. We have a big family, so we have to make sure that everything works well, like a well-oiled machine. So, you know, we have those gadgets available to make cooking quicker, easier, all that stuff. So check out Bed Bath & Beyond. You probably have one in your local area at a local shopping center, or I don't know if they still have malls. Y'all got malls? Yeah, they still got malls. They're dwindling away, but you may have one at your mall. So check it out, you know, and you can also just go up there and get the item, wrap it, you know. Now let me tell you, the lines might be long. Procrastinator time. The lines may be long. And given the COVID situation, you know, they're doing that 6 feet type of thing. So they got the restrictions. So what you may want to do with any of these on this list, check online, see if it's available at the store, and do curbside if it's available. So they can bring it out to you, or you can go up to a desk and they'll have the item waiting on you. Thank me later. If it's available, check it out, people. Check it out. Number 2, Marshalls. Now, I always hear people talk about TJ Maxx, TJ Maxx. I like Marshalls, even though they're owned by the same people. They are. But I come to like Marshalls a little better than TJ Maxx. I don't know if it's like the vibe, the people, the energy. I'm thinking maybe the energy is off, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe the energy's off. I'm not sure, but Marshalls is it for me. I like Marshalls, people. I love to go into Marshalls and shop. So if you have a local Marshalls, go ahead and hit them up. They have designer items in there. And it's not like the worst things that you can find. They have some good finds. Now, there's some hit and miss now. It's some hit and miss. Don't let me have you thinking that, girl, you just gonna go in there and find everything. it is hit or miss in there. So you might have to go early if possible. Once you're going in there early, so you can go through all of the racks and everything like that. So they have some good stuff. They also have clothing, shoes, some tech items. I've got some headphones from there for my son before. Wasn't nothing wrong with it. Wasn't nothing wrong with it. I'll go in there and find me some shoes in a hot minute from Marshalls. And athletic wear, the new year is coming up. Y'all know y'all need to get fit and everything. We all do. I'm right on the train with you. So guess where I'm going? Marshalls. Give me some athletic wear so I can start this new year off right. They got it. They got it. And also look for me, something for me as well on athletic wear. You'll see that in the coming days. Not weeks, days. So stay tuned, y'all. Support your girl. Coming out with a little something for you, you know. Try to get you right for the New Year's, right in tights. But anywho, y'all get me off track. So check out Marshalls, and they have a plethora of things for everyone from children. They have toys. They have great toys. And I found some of the cutest baby clothing in Marshalls because I have a lot of friends that are having babies. I don't know why. We're too old for that. But okay, I'm here to support you. But I think you're crazy. But I'm here to support you. But anywho, okay. So you get some of the cutest baby items, the little booties and it's little Nike booties or little Converse booties or Jordan booties or whatever booties. And they are just the cutest. Almost make you want to have a baby, but no, ain't that crazy? Number 3 is Home Goods. Also in the family of TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They are owned by the same people, but Home Goods is that store that I just found out about. I'd say about 3 to 4 years ago, I found out about Home Goods, and it is a hidden jewel for home decor. I'm telling you, I've got some of the nicest pieces from art, from furniture, from like stands, just decorating the bathroom, from the kitchen, from lamps, just all sorts of goodies in Home Goods. Check them out. You will not be disappointed. They have so much good stuff. Even if it's for you to gift yourself something. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I did it. Gift yourself. Deserve it. Worked hard all year. This is for you. Pat yourself on the back. Go get it. I'm telling you. Number 4 is Lowe's. Lowe's. What can I say about Lowe's? Lowe's has a lot of good stuff for that man in your life, or even that female that likes to do manual labor and stuff, or find stuff for their house. You know, it's all opportunity. But for my husband, he absolutely loves Lowe's. So anything from Lowe's, I can pretty much get for him. He loves the house. I love doing household stuff, keeping the yard up. Even patio furniture from Lowe's, you could get stuff for your yard. So you got the outside and you have the inside. You have garden art. You have things to just spruce things up around the house and inside the house. They also do inside as well. They have curtains. We got our blinds from them. I mean, they have a lot of stuff that you don't think about. Not just your toilets and your sinks. But go in Lowe's and just walk around. You have, if your significant other likes to barbecue. My husband is a barbecuing fool. And I love his barbecue. It's really good. He even has his own barbecue sauce. And I hope he comes out with it soon, but we'll see. Right now it's a family secret. But he loves all things barbecue. And I could just go in there and rack up just on that type of item. So if you have a family member or loved one that enjoys home improvement type of stuff, check out Lowe's. Even vacuum cleaners or lighting, you know, for that type of person that really enjoys that type of stuff, check them out. And Lowe's is in a lot of neighborhoods. If there's not one right by you, it's probably one within 30 minutes to an hour's drive, hopefully, unless you're really remote or something. But Lowe's is on point. And for my veterans out there, y'all, they got a military discount. Now you need to go ahead and sign up for it. I use my discount every time. So they even give a military discount. So Lowe's is great like that. I like Lowe's. Number five is Old Navy. You know what? I went in Old Navy the other day, y'all. I had been sleeping on Old Navy because I was like, you know what? When I was younger, I used to wear a lot of Old Navy, but Old Navy got some comfortable items. Old Navy has the cutest PJs. If you're looking for pajamas, especially like the Christmas pajamas, I know it's a gift. Maybe you want to make it like a family tradition, so you're gifting everybody these Christmas pajamas. Y'all, they are so adorable. Check them out. So for your tees, for your jeans, for your just laid back type of gear, check out Old Navy. You will not go wrong. They got some nice coats and stuff too, but I'm in Florida. It ain't really that cold. You know, it's chilly right now, and I'm about to burn up in this sweater, but I'm doing this for y'all. I am about to burn up. It's hot. But for y'all, you know, I do anything for my feet for y'all. I'm trying to be festive and all. Number 6 is Macy's, one of my favorites. Macy's, believe. That's what they say for Christmas. Believe. So, believe in the magic of Macy's. Because they got some magic. I'm telling you, from the perfumes. And the last time I went to Macy's now, it was a little bit overwhelming. You know those department stores, they do a little bit much with the perfume, only because I have migraines and stuff, so that stuff might triggers me. But when you get the right perfume, they have some perfume sets that are just amazing at Macy's. And I'm zeroing in on this because I really like perfume sets, and especially from Macy's, because you can get, some of you get a little special gift with, so that's always good, you know. But check them out, from the purses, designer handbags, from shoes, from, they also have a wonderful household section, and they have the cutest clothing for your children. So they have, it's a department store, so there's a whole gamut of things available at Macy's. Check them out for your last minute gift items. Check out your local Macy's. And last but not least is number 7, Nordstrom. What can I say? Anytime I go in this store, and I know this may not be available in everyone's area, but I know in the metropolitan area, so if you're watching me from a metropolitan area, you probably have one in your locale or within driving distance. So I don't know, I just like, well, I go to Nordstrom, it's just like, y'all, because it's like a fantasy island for me. Because everything in there, y'all, I want everything in that store. I'm not lying to you. I want everything in that store. I do. So it's your luxurious items. I'll say your premium items, you know. But, yeah, you could get your Lowe, you could get, you know, your Louboutins, everything like that. You can get that at Nordstrom. But I also want to just let you know they have affordable items as well. Check out their website so you can see what they have. They have a section, as many of these these stores do, but they have it listed by gift types or item types, and they have some under $25. They have gifts under $25, under $30, under $100. So it's just whatever your budget allows, but they do have some affordable items there at Nordstrom. So don't just like, this place is too expensive. Check them out. They have some affordable items that you may be able to get some premium items for your family member or your loved one. So check them out, but my eyes just light up anytime I go in Nordstrom. You want to make me happy, go ahead and get me what I'm about to say now. A gift card. Get me a Nordstrom gift card. That'd be great. I can pick out what I want. But gift cards are available at each one of these stores that I mentioned. And when I was doing my research, y'all, I didn't know this. I did not know they had e-gift cards. So when I was doing my research, I found out that they have e-gift cards available. So it could be emailed to the person, right? And you make it play a trick on your loved one. I didn't get you anything, and then they, you know, get their e-gift card. So I don't know. Then you run the risk of they don't open the email. But you can give them a little nudge. You might want to check out your email and check that spam folder. You know, so e-gift cards are a thing, and you don't have to ship them. You know, they're electronic. So, you know, I hope that this has helped you, and just kind of like my intent for this video was to just shake things up for you and get you to think outside of the box and not think, oh man, I've missed it, I've screwed up, I've procrastinated for too long and I cannot get to gift in time. Shipping, right now, if you want to ship something today, I just had a friend had to pay $70 to ship something. So if you want to pay those astronomical fees, and depending on the weight, hey, that's on you. If you're going to ship something, shipping costs more than the gift. So ain't like a problem to me. But hey, that's on you. So if you have these stores available at your local stores, you know, these stores in your local community, check them out. Go early. That's my tip to you. Go early to these stores, but also pre-plan. Go online first. See what items are available at your local store that you can pick up. And if they have curbside, do curbside. That way you don't have to contend with the crowds. But we just have to be more strategic and smart right now because we're so late in the game. But that don't mean a thing. I'm always procrastinating. You know, I still got to find my husband's birthday gift. Yep. But it's going to be from one of these stores. I hope he's not watching this, which he probably is, because he's my biggest supporter. Love him. Hey, Gerard. But I'm not going to tell you which store, though. So, anywho, yes, people, happy holidays to you and yours, and believe in the magic of Christmas.